Graddiodd Simon o Brifysgol Middlesex ac yna mwynhaodd yrfa brysur iawn ar lwyfan a sgrin. In his career, Simon has worked as a trapeze artist, shared the stage with Joe Brand, and has even had a stint as Mr. Tumble.
My job is about developing young people's ability. I have to find as many techniques, tactics, methods as I can to allow them to become the maximum that they can be.
He's brilliant at getting a team of students together and taking them on this team-building journey where they feel very confident about dealing with all sorts of things.
The confidence that I got from just him on the first day was brilliant, and it's helped me so much through that confidence.
Lovers divided get coincided.
You have to see them not even as a student, not even as a learner, not as a number on a data sheet. You have to see them as a human being who wants to develop, and that involves looking in a more broader way at them.
Something for everyone.
Simon has real-world experience.
Some of the students who are with us at the moment are already working professionally at Bluestone.
Simon's a magnanimous character and he imparts that vitality and that energy to his learners and the rest of his team.
The classes are just hilarious.
Just fantastic, yeah, it's really good.
Do I enjoy working with extrovert young people? Of course I do. It keeps me young.
If you've got that energy at you, it's good to push it back.
Times are difficult, economies are difficult, education has changed, but Simon still believes in the quality of sort of the learner experience and the learner journey, which is admirable.
Don't focus on results, focus on the individual in front of you and meeting their needs.
That was really sharp. Well done, everybody. Great stuff.